And well, I think that we are already recording, so let's start with this because for today we have the the topic that corresponds to the present continuous. This is how the topic is called, so pay a lot of attention because we're going to start in this moment to explain how we can make sentences with present continuous. So let me select a person to start to read this information, no? Okay, let me see. I choose Melanie. Hello, Melanie. Can you read the information from the slide? Come on.
Okay, let's continue. Use to talk about somebody that is happening in this moment.
Exactly. It's something that is happening in this moment. So, as you can see, all the activities are happening right now. So, pay a lot of attention because now I am going to explain how to start making the sentences in the different tenses. It can be affirmative, negative, and interrogative. So, let's get to start. And here we are. Okay, listen to this. We are going to use the verb to be that we have already used in other classes. For example, he is, she is, I am, you are, they are, we are, etc. That is what we have to use. So let's start in affirmative. Yes. For example, when I am using the pronoun I have to use I am. Yes. And the verb, as you can see, it's gonna have the ending ing. Can you see? The ending it's gonna be in ing. Yeah. What's the reason? Because it is supposed that the action is happening in this moment. Yeah. And that's why we use it in ing. So we have here the example. Yes. Hello, Sarah. Can you read the example of the sentence? I am. Come on, Sarah. Let's go.
I am supposed to present.
Exactly. It's in this moment. That's the reason why it has ing in the sentence because it is happening in this precise and specific moment. So let's continue. We have I am and the verb in ing. Yes. Now let's go for the rest of pronouns. For pronouns he, she, it. Yes. For these pronouns, we're going to use is. So we say he is, she is, it is, and the verb once again it's gonna be in ing. Yes. It's very important that you remember that we are using ing because the action is happening in this moment. Okay? So we have the example, right? Let me see. Karime, can you read the example about Oscar? Let's go, Karime, please.
Um, Oscar is reading a book.
Yes, it's in this moment. Yes, so that's why we have the action with ing. So let's continue because in this moment we have um, what to do with pronouns he, she, and it. And we also check with I am. Yeah. But now we're going to see what happens with you, we, and they. Right? So let's get to see what's happening here. Let me just send a message to Victor and to Desiree to see what's happening. Probably they have problems or something. Give me a second. Okay, sorry. I have already sent messages to to your classmates Victor and Desiree, but I suppose that they will arrive in a moment. So, well, let's continue. Well, here we have four pronouns you, we, and they. Yes, for these pronouns, we are going to use, as you can see in blue color, are. Yes, and the verb again, it's gonna be in ing. You see it here in yellow color. So we have here the sentence. Yeah, so we have you are, we are, they are. Yes, and we have the example here. Let's go, Sarah. Could you please read the example about my parents, Sarah?
My parents
Exactly. That's the thing that's happening. Very good, Sarah. So, well, why don't we start to practice? Yes, so that we can practice with this in a more conversational way. Yes, I have some pictures ready for you so that we can practice. Yes, and in the pictures, we are going to do it like we did in another class. Yes, I remember in the other class we said, for example, in the picture we see two people, and that's why we say they are, or for example in the next one we have a man, so we say he is. Yes, or if we have two people is they are, or I don't know, in this case we have a woman, so we say she is. And as you can see here in the bottom, we have the verb in ing, because it is supposed that the action is happening in this moment. So why don't we come back to the beginning of the presentation, and we start practicing, right, with some pictures. So for example, pay attention because I'm gonna say the first. Yes, I have a man. Look at him. I have a man and a woman. So I say they are washing the dishes. Yes, it's supposed that the action is happening in this moment. So why don't we do three pictures per person? Yes. And let's start with you, Melanie. Okay, so I'm gonna start passing the pictures, and please tell me what's happening in the pictures, Melanie. Come on.
She is washing the car.
Yes, that's right, Melanie. Let's go to the next one.
They are playing video games.
Excellent. And how about the other one?
And she is reading a book.
Excellent. Very good, Melanie. So, as you can see, it's very simple, girls, because everything you are watching, it's supposed to be happening in this moment, no? So, well, see the next person to pass. It's gonna be Sarah. Ready, Sarah? Come on, let's participate. I wanna hear you for the next pictures. Come on.
she reading a book.
Okay.
She doing exercise.
Sarah, remember is she is. Do
She
you
is
remember? Because we have to use, check it. Let me show you the picture very quickly. And here we have it. Remember, Sarah, it's I am, or he, she, it is. He is, she is, it is. Or if it's for many people, it's we, and they. They are, etc. Ready, Sarah? Okay, let me show you the picture. So we start all over again. Come on, Sarah. Let's go.
is doing.
Yes, she's doing exercise. Show you the next one, Sarah.
They are dancing.
Yes, that's right, Sarah. Very good. The next one.
She is swimming in the pool.
Yes, exactly, Sarah. Very good. So we continue with Karime. On Karime, we have the next picture. Let's go.
He is sleeping in the sofa.
Yes, correct. Let's go to the next one.
She is cleaning the house.
Nice. Another.
She is listening to music.
Yes, very good, Karime. You did it very good. Thanks. Well, let's continue. We have more pictures. Let me see how many pictures are missing. We are missing this one from the park and From spaghetti 2, we have soda 3, we have soccer 4, and that's all. So I think we're gonna do it in this way, right? One per person, right? So we start with we have one, two, three, four. Okay. Sarah makes the first two sentences. Okay, Sarah, come on. This and the other, Sarah.
They, they, they are doing in
Correct. The other one, Sarah, come on.
he is eating spaghetti.
Yes. Thank you,
Spaghetti.
Sarah. Exactly. Yeah, the pronunciation is very good, Sarah. Spaghetti. You can say spaghetti or spaghetti. So it's correct, Sarah. Very good. Well, let's go to the next one. This one is gonna be for Karime. What's happening in the picture, Karime?
She's drinking soda.
Yes, great. And this one goes for Melanie. Come on, girl.
They are playing soccer.
Exactly. Very good, girls. Well, we have finished the first part saying examples in affirmative because it is supposed that all these how you say that all these actions that you are watching in the pictures, it's supposed that are happening in this moment. So I'm gonna go back in the presentation because now I am going to show you how to make sentences but in the negative. You will see it's very, very easy to do them. So, okay, we have it here. Yes? Now, look at this. For the negative statements, I am going to use um, I'm not. Do you remember in the positive sentence, we said I am, right? Do you remember? Here is it. But for the negative sentences, I'm gonna use I am not plus the verb in ing again because it's supposed the action is happening right now. That's why I am using the verb in ing. So here I have an example. So let's practice some pronunciation for examples. Ready, Sarah? Can you read the example about speaking Spanish? Come on, Sarah.
I am not speaking.
Exactly. That's right. You are not speaking in Spanish. So I have a question for you girls. If Sarah is not speaking in Spanish, in what language is Sarah speaking? Come on, girls, tell me. Melanie or Karime, what do you say, girls? Sarah is not speaking in Spanish. In what language is she speaking?
She speaks in English.
Yes, she is correct. Can you repeat it?
She is speaking in English.
Exactly. Very good. Can you see, girls? This is very easy because I recommend you when you say something in negative, yeah, to specify what is really happening. For example, you can say Sarah is not speaking in Spanish. She is speaking in English because you already know how to use the positive, so you can be more specific and say what's actually happening in the sentence or in the action. So let's get to see another example so that you can see what's happening. And now we have got the negative sentences. So we have he, she, it. Yes. You can use, I'm going to give you two options. You can use isn't or is not. Whatever you prefer, it's correct. Let me show you some cases, right? So that you can see how it can be used. So you can say, she isn't speaking English. That's one case. Okay, I forgot letter G. English. All right. she isn't speaking English, or I can say she is not speaking English. So whatever you want, that's okay. So you have two options. If you want, you can use isn't, or if you don't want to, you can also use is not. As you wish, as you prefer, you decide what would you like to use. Okay, so let's go back so that we can keep on watching more examples about this. And we have here the next sentence. All right, check this out. Well, let me see. What's the example that we have here, Melanie? Can you read it about John?
John isn't looking for the exam.
Exactly. That's correct. Yes. So that's something that is not happening. It's not happening in this moment. So let's get to see the next one, because now we are gonna see what to do with pronouns you, we, and they. Yes. Here there's a little mistake because you cannot say are is aren't. Yes. Let me modify it so that we can have it correct and ready. We have it here, right? It's you, we, they aren't plus the verb in ing once again. And I'm gonna give you once again more options. Check it out. We have they aren't speaking English, or if I don't want to, I can say they are not speaking English. Yes, these are my two options. Or I use aren't or are not. Both are okay. That's not a problem. Yeah. So why don't we continue? Let me see. We go back to the presentation again and let's read it. Okay. This example is gonna be read by, let me see. Can you give me a moment, girls? There's something important. Give me a second, please. Please don't go. I'm sorry, girls. There was something important, but I'm back. Well, yes, I was telling you about negative sentences. We have here the example about my parents. So it says, my parents are watching TV. So check this out, girls. Now I am going to start showing you the same pictures that we checked a moment ago, but I am going to change the activity a little bit. Look at this. We have here the pictures and ready. Okay, let's go. Let me see. We have here the pictures and look at this. I'm gonna say the first example. about um, dishes, no? Okay, imagine the situation. Yes, I can say uh, they are not or they aren't. They are not washing the dishes. It's an example, yes, but you can invent your sentences with the information that you prepare. No, you can say they are not washing the car. They are washing the dishes. Do you understand me? You can change the information and later on telling me what's happening. So, or in this one, you can say he's not washing the dishes. He's washing the car. Yes, so that we can practice at the same time affirmative and negative. What do you think, girls? The instructions are clear or problems? Let me know if it's clear or not. What do you say, Karime? Ready? Do you feel ready for this?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me show you two pictures, Karime. So remember, so that we can combine affirmative and negative, Karime. Let's go. We have here the next picture. Come on.
They aren't playing video games.
Mhm. Then what happened?
And oh, oh,
Because I see the picture, Karime. I can see the kids, they are playing video games. So it's not possible to say they are not playing video games because in the picture I see them playing video games. So, but maybe you can say they aren't playing soccer, no? Yes or not?
yes.
Okay, okay. Let me give you another chance. Come on, Karime. This.
She reading a book.
Okay, okay. She's reading a book. Negative.
She isn't reading a book.
Mm, but she's reading a book. Okay, I can see that you got some complications with the exercise. Okay, look at this. Check it, girls. Okay, if we look at the picture, yes, the the girl, she's reading a book. Can you see it? She is reading a book. You see? So this is the sentence. Yes, you see it? She's reading a book. But now I want you to tell me what she's not reading. She isn't reading an encyclopedia. Yes. Do you understand me? You see the message? Yes. Now you have to tell me what is happening and what is not happening. Yes. Let me show you another picture so we can have another chance to see what is happening, right? Let me see. This one goes for Melanie. Do you want to try, Melanie, for the next picture? Come on. You can change with whatever you want.
Teacher,
Yes.
bueno, es que sé lo que tengo que decir, pero ¿podría darme un ejemplo de otra cosa que no sea ejercicio? O sea, por
Ah,
ejemplo,
you can use another verb, for
eso es lo
example.
que me confunde.
You can use another action. For example, you can say she's doing exercise. Uh, she's not reading a book. Do you understand me?
Ok, ok, ¿puedo combinar entonces como sea?
Exactly. I'm gonna
Ok,
send you a message by the chat. Check it.
ok. Entonces
Check
sería,
this. Check this message, girls.
she isn't reading a book.
Uh-huh.
She is doing exercise.
Exactly. Okay, let me show you another. Come on. We have another.
They are uh, dancing Oh, no, 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 otra, otra.
Yeah, it's correct. Yes.
They aren't reading a book. They are dancing salsa.
Exactly. Or for example, if you want, Melanie, you can change it for the music. For example, you can say, they are dancing salsa. They aren't dancing reggaeton. Yes. Do you understand me?
Okay.
Okay, yes. You can change, girls. You can change what the person is doing, or you can make some modifications to the rest of the sentence. You decide, but the thing is that we have to combine affirmative and negative, all right? Let's go to the next one, okay? This one is going to be done by Sarah. Ready, Sarah? Come on, combine the sentences for negative and affirmative.
Okay. She swimming in the pool. No, she isn't swimming in the park.
Okay, Sarah. In the park, you said?
The pool.
Okay. Can you repeat, Sarah? Because I have problems with your microphone. Please repeat.
She swimming in the pool.
Mhm.
No, is not swimming in the pool.
Mm,
No?
oh, Sarah, no, I think no. Okay, girls, please check the message in the chat.
She is swimming in the pool.
Mhm.
Negación.
Okay, Sarah, let me explain you very quickly. Okay, Sarah, look at this. We have here the picture about the girl reading a book. Yes or not?
Yes.
Okay, but you have to tell me this, yes, Sarah, and
Yes.
the thing that she's not doing. For example, look at the picture. We have here the girl reading a book. Yes. So you can tell me she is reading a book. She
She
is
is
not reading a magazine. Yes or not, Sarah?
yes.
Okay. Now you can, or you can, why don't you give me an example with this one about the sofa? Come on.
He's sleeping in the sofa.
Hmm?
He is not sleeping in the sofa.
Mm-mm. No, Sarah. Okay, let me talk in Spanish very quickly. Miren, hagan de cuenta que la actividad se trata de decir qué sí está haciendo y qué no está haciendo, ¿verdad? Entonces, por ejemplo, si tú me dices, Sara, he's sleeping in the sofa, es lo que sí está pasando, ¿estás de acuerdo? Y entonces dime que no. O sea, es como si, por ejemplo, me pudieras decir, está durmiendo en el sillón, pero no está durmiendo en la cama, ¿me entiendes? O sea, me tienen que decir qué sí está haciendo la persona y qué no. Como por ejemplo en la del baile, ¿sí? El ejemplo que dijo Melanie dijo que estaban bailando salsa, pero no estaban leyendo un libro, ¿comprenden? Para que así podamos decir qué sí está haciendo la persona y qué no, ¿ok? Yes, Karime, what happened? Karime, you have a question?
No, creo que era Melanie.
Ah, it was Melanie? Okay, Melanie, tell me what happened. No, finally no.
¿Cómo, teacher?
Uh, do you have a question? Because I
No,
can
no,
see.
no, no.
No questions? Ah, okay, yes. Okay, let's continue. You wanna say another example, Karime? Come on. What's happening and what's not happening in the picture?
She is cleaning the house. She isn't singing in the house.
Okay, yes, that's a good one, Karime. And this? Come on, Karime. Another.
Um, she is listening to music, and she isn't eating.
Okay, very good. Very good, Karime. I think it's a good example. You want to try again, Sarah? Come on.
They are running in the car.
Hmm.
They they are they aren't playing.
Yes. Another Sarah. Come on.
He's eating spaghetti. He he isn't. Um,
You can use the same verb, Sarah, if you want eating, but you can change it for, I don't know, tacos or pasta or salad. I don't know. Come on, Sarah.
he's he's an eating soap.
Soup. Soup, Sarah.
Soup.
Soup. Yes, the pronunciation is soup. Very good,
Soup.
Sarah. Okay, we have another. This one is gonna be for you, Melanie. Come on. Let's go.
She is drinking soda. She isn't drinking vodka. Vodka.
Yes. Correct. Another.
They are playing soccer. They are in playing video games.
Exactly. Magnificent example. Well, girls, I can see that now you are understanding the activity. So I wanted to compare the affirmative and negative structures, but I can see that you are doing this correctly. So why don't we continue now? And now we learn what can we do with questions by using the ing form. We have some questions that we can use, no? So okay, let's go back in the presentation so that we can see some questions. I'm gonna teach you how to make questions. So what we have here, the interrogative form. Look at this. Now we are going to make some changes. What are those changes? We have here, am I? Yes. Look at this. I can change sentences easily by doing this. For example, let's go back to the document, and we have here um, a sentence. Yes. For example, okay, this one. Let's change this one. Right about the book. Yes. This is a sentence. Yes. Um, about what is happening. But if I want, I can change it to a question. So I have to change places for this. Look at this. It's easy because you say, is she is she reading a book? And now it has become a question. See it? Is she reading a book? And then my options are yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Yes, here are my two options for the questions. Can you see it? So let's go back to the presentation so that we can see it. And we have here the questions. And we have here, am I speaking in English? Yes, I am. And for the interrogative, look at this. So we have here the question. Is he talking on the phone? Yeah. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Yeah. The answers are very simple. And then we have now for pronouns you, we, and they. We have, are they doing exercise? Yes, they are. Or no, they aren't. Here are my possible questions. So pay attention, girls, because I'm going to start asking you questions, and you have to tell me, um, for example, okay, Okay, let me see. We have here the pictures that we have just learned, and we say, for example, okay, let's practice with a person. Melanie, are you ready? Help me to practice, please. Open your microphone, Melanie.
Ok. Hago
Okay.
la pregunta y tú.
Okay, yes, perfect. For me. Come on.
Are they washing the dishes?
Ah, yes, yes, they are washing the dishes. Now I make the question. Okay. Is he washing the dishes?
No, he isn't.
Yes. And what is he doing? What is he doing? Hello, Melanie. What is he doing? No? Okay. Let me make the question to another person. Maybe Karime wants to help me. Ready, Karime? Can you open your microphone?
Yes.
Okay. Karime, is he washing the car?
Yes, he is.
Okay. I have another question for you. Are they playing soccer?
No, they are playing video games.
Ah, okay, okay, excellent. Okay, I have another question, but come on, now you make the question for me. Come on.
Mm, is she reading a book?
Yes, she is. Yes, she's reading a book. Another. But make a question for me, Karime, so that maybe I can answer in negative. Come on.
Mm,
Is
she
she?
is.
Is she?
Is she doing dancing?
Can you repeat your question, Karime?
Is
Please repeat.
she dancing?
No, she is doing exercise. Yes, very good, Karime. Well, hi, Melanie. Did you have problems with your connection or what happened? Do you want to try again?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, come on. Make a question for me. Come on.
Yo le hago la pregunta.
Yes, please. Let's go.
Okay. Are they dancing salsa?
Yes, they are. Another. Come on. For me to answer negative. Come on.
Is she swimming? No, mejor. Is she running in the park?
No, she's not. She's swimming in the pool. I have a question for you, Melanie. Okay. Is he sleeping in the bed?
No, she is sleeping in the sofa.
Very good. Very good. Well, now it's miss. The only person missing is Sarah. Sarah, is she cleaning the house?
No, she's mm, playing.
Playing? Really? No, look at the picture, Sarah. Is she cleaning the house?
Yes, she's cleaning the house.
Okay, very good. Okay, Sarah. Is she listening to a conference?
Yes, she is listening. No, no, she isn't to music. Listen to music.
Ah, okay. Okay, let me repeat the question, Sarah, because I asked you about a conference. Listen to me, Sarah. Is she listening to a conference?
Yes,
Yes,
listen.
Sarah, it's a conference.
No, listen
It's
to
music,
music.
no? It's music. Listen to my question, Sarah. Is she listening to a conference?
No, she he isn't. listening to music.
Okay, Sarah. I think we got some problems here. Okay. Let me show you, Sarah. Pay attention to the question. This is my question, Sarah. Is she listening to a conference? And you said, what is the answer, Sarah? Can you repeat?
No, he is listening to music.
Okay. Like this is correct, Sarah. Well, let's continue, Sarah. See, in the next question, I'm gonna ask you something, Sarah, okay? In the next one, please tell me, are they running in the beach?
No, they are running in the park.
Okay, Sarah, very good. Now you make the question for me. Come on, Sarah.
He is eating spaghetti.
Okay. He is, Sarah, or is he?
Is he eating spaghetti?
Yes, he is. Come on, Sarah, make another question so that I can answer negative. Come on.
She is she, she is
Okay,
drinking soda.
okay, Sarah, check this out. You said she is drinking soda. No, that's not correct. It's is she drinking soda? You see, Sarah? For the question is different the order. Yes, Sarah,
Sí.
or not? Yes? Okay. Well, let's repeat the question, Sarah. So remember, ask me something so that I can answer negative. Come on, Sarah.
Is is she drinking the soda? No, pero es que no enlazo el no.
But you have to ask, Sarah.
Ah, okay. Is she drinking the soda?
Yes, Sarah. Check my message, Sarah.
Is she drinking soda? Is she drinking soda?
Sarah, check my message in the chat, please. Ready, Sarah?
Are you drinking?
Can you repeat your question?
Are you drinking soda?
No, I'm not. Okay, Sarah. Okay, I'm gonna speak in Spanish very quickly, okay? A ver, Sara, vamos a practicar para que también yo pueda contestar que no, ¿me entiendes?
Sí.
Entonces, ahorita, por ejemplo, tú en la imagen ves que estaba bebiendo refresco, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Entonces, tú pregúntame que si está bebiendo, no sé, agua, leche o lo que sea, para que yo diga que no, ¿me entiendes?
Ok.
A ver, pregúntame.
En español e inglés.
No, in English, Sarah, obviously.
No. She is drinking soda.
Pero acuérdate, Sara, cómo, ¿ya viste cómo cuando hacemos las preguntas cambiamos? Por ejemplo, si tú dices, she's drinking soda, me dices, está bebiendo refresco, ¿de acuerdo?
Okay.
Pero si tú me quieres preguntar que si está bebiendo refresco, ¿ya viste lo que hicimos? Cambiamos de lugar, ¿ya viste? Lo que te subrayé en azul.
Sí, sí, sí.
Entonces, las preguntas y las afirmaciones no son iguales, se tiene que cambiar, ¿sale? A ver, ahora pregúntame que para que yo te diga que no, pregúntame si está ella bebiendo agua, leche o a lo mejor algún otro líquido que se te ocurra.
Is she drinking milk?
Milk?
Sí. Yes.
English, okay. No, she's drinking soda. Come on. Another
Okay.
Sarah. Or negative, negative. Come on.
They are playing soccer.
No, Sarah. Question, question.
Are they playing soccer?
Mhm. Yes, they are. Pero a ver, pregúntame algo que no sea cierto para que yo lo niegue, ¿vale?
They are run.
Ok, Sara, ¿ya viste cómo le hacemos para las preguntas?
Sí, se cambia.
Hay que voltear. Voltealo porque si no, me lo estás afirmando. A ver, pregúntame, por ejemplo, a ver, pregúntame que si están jugando videojuegos.
Are they playing soccer?
Yes, they are. Pero quedamos de que me ibas a preguntar algo para que yo negara, ¿estás de acuerdo?
They are they playing mm,
Yes, Sarah? What happened?
are they playing tennis?
No, they are playing soccer. Very good, Sarah. Okay. I think it was very good, girls. Okay. Give me a second. And we're going to start with the final comments.